Hi honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my loves, we're going to continue with the Easter series, and I'm going to show you guys how to make these really super quick, easy, fun little mini Easter cards that you can give to your friends. You can gift them to your co-workers. Maybe you're having like an Easter party or like an Easter gathering and you want to send them thank you cards. This will be a perfect idea for that. You can also add these to goodie bags or like an Easter basket. Tons of things that you can do with these little mini note cards, and they're so easy to make. So I'm going to show you how to create these right here that I already made two, just to show you. Super fast and easy with a few supplies that I know we all have at home. Now the little sticker that I have here, which is like this little chicky sticker I got at Michael's. I'm gonna show you everything. Let's get started. So first of all, let's start with the paper. So the paper that I use for this particular project is this paper. I have this paper in my stash for years. I'm not even kidding you. About 2 or 3 years, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. Who knows? I've had it forever, and I thought it would be perfect for an Easter little project because it's just like kind of like a springy like pad, and it has a lot of like, you know, Easter related stuff. So I used the paper in here for this project. Okay, this particular pad is called Umbrella. It's from America Crafts, and I don't know how old this paper pad is. I'm pretty sure it's very old. Okay, so now that we know what papers we are going to use, the stickers that we're going to use are these stickers that I absolutely adore. They're so freaking cute. They're like little furry little chickies. They're super cute. I love them. I love this company. I wish I could work with this company and make my own stickers because they make such like amazing stickers and they look so realistic. I just love it. But these are like really cute, adorable, kind of like Easter related, right? Because they're little birdies or chickies or whatever you want to call them. If you go to Michael's, Michael actually has these on clearance right now. I saw them in 2 Michael's that I went to, and they have these right now in clearance. So if you go to Michael's, pick up a few of these so you can have them for, you know, future projects. So that's what I use for this project, okay? So let's get started because I'm trying to make these videos as short as possible. I think I'm being pretty good. The first 2 videos has been a success. Let's hope to continue that, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your paper that you decide what design you're going to use for your note card. Listen, I made myself a template. I didn't do anything. I used this, I have, let me see, where is it? I have this pack of envelopes. Oh, here it is. This pack of envelopes that I buy at Michael's. These are the little mini envelopes. What I do is I basically just take out the amount of envelopes that I need. I don't really do anything like specific. Like, I'm not a person to do like amazing, beautiful, perfect, exact measurements. I'm not that girl, okay? I do things easy. I basically took the 6x6 paper, cut it in half, so I can use 4 note cards. So one 6x6 pad of paper will give you 2 note cards, right? Wait. Yeah, I think so. So anyway, I think so. Yeah. So what I did was I cut one of the 6x6 in half, and then I kind of measure it that it kind of fits the envelope, and that's basically it. That's all I did. Nothing else, okay? So here I have my 2 that I already pre-cut for myself, okay? Already, boom, we have a little note cards done already. See that? Simple. So what also I decided to do is get a little strip of ribbon, which I have this ribbon forever. I bought it while I was thrift shopping a few months ago. And I just love the detail on it. I think it was beautiful. So what I did was I cut out a little piece of that ribbon and measured it from one end to the end of my note card, kind of made it fit so it goes right across, and then I cut that out. And then what you're going to do is you're going to use this one as your sample to cut the rest of the note cards. So if you need like 20 note cards, then you use this as your sample and make 20 note cards. Don't drive yourself nuts. Make it easier for yourself. So here I have 2 of these that I cut out. Perfect. They're done. So the first thing you're going to do is excuse me, I'm sorry. I have my coffee ready for me. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to add the ribbon to the center of your note card. I have here my hot glue. If you want, you can also add, what do you call it? Tape on it. I don't know, whatever you want to use. You know what? I'm going to use tape because if you use the hot glue, it might buckle up a little and give you like a little bubble, and I don't know if you want that. So I'm going to use my tape. And I'm just going to put tape across one end and across the other end. And I'm going to add this to the center of my note card. As straight as possible. Bam. There you go. See that? Already you have a really cute note card. Let's do the other one. And there you have it. Now you have both your note cards with this really beautiful decorative trim that's right on the center of the note card, right? Really pretty. Okay, perfect. The rest is basically super duper easy. Take your stickers, whichever stickers you want to use, you decide, okay? And you're going to add your chickie in the center of your sticker. I love this because this is so simple and easy. You can bang these out in no time. My chickies have sticker, like, you know, adhesive in the back, but I like to always add a little bit extra because I don't trust it. So I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue, like right in the center of the little sticker. And I'm going to add him right in the center of my card. Bam, that's done. Take your other, I'm dropping everything. Take your other little chickie that you want to do. Maybe we can do this one. And do the same thing. And literally, guys, this card is literally done. I'm not even kidding you. Okay, that's how simple and easy this card is to create. But it looks like it took you forever to create, right? Perfect. So, now that we have a little chickie in the center of our card, I decided to put a little bow on mine right here, as you can see here. So you can actually make yourself like a little cute little bow out of like a ribbon or out of like twine, and you can actually add it to the little side of your bird's like area right here if you want. You don't necessarily have to, but I thought it would be like a really cute idea, and it just gives it like a really nice, like pretty shabby look to my little card. So I'm gonna add a little dab of hot glue, and I'm gonna put my little bow right in here so that it looks like it's kind of like sideways. That's so cute. You see how cute that looks? Love it, right? Let's do the same thing with this one. Okay, this one I'm gonna put it actually right here. And guess what? The front of our card is already complete and done. Literally, in no time. Can you imagine if you had to like mass produce these, like, I don't know, 20 or 40 of them? You can literally do this in no time. Look how cute that looks. Okay, so now that we have the front of a card complete, let's do the inside of the card. Now you guys know me. I like things simple, okay? I don't like things complicated. I just want to get my stuff going. I want it to look cute, but I want it to be simple. So what does Jenny do? Jenny kind of like, you know, kind of cheats a little bit. So instead of having like a stamp, I went and I found an Happy Easter sticker in one of these sticker books that Michael usually has for like $1. These are awesome to use, and they're awesome because it kind of like cuts a little bit of your time, right? Especially if you're in a hurry, or like, let's say, I don't know, you don't really have that much time to do stamping. This is perfect. So find yourself like a Happy Easter sticker, which I already have here, as you can see. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this Happy Easter right in the center of my card. Bam! There's your little card. Ha ha. Let's find another one, if there is another one, because I think I used them all. Okay, so I don't have another one that says Happy Easter, but I do have one that says, here, this one says like hip hop. Here, let's get this one. Wait, hold on. This one says hippity hop. So you know what? Let's use that one. It says hippity hop. Why not? And we're gonna add this one to this center right here. Now I like the way, I have to be honest with you, I like the way the one that says Happy Easter looks more than this one. But you know, again, you can kind of like use your judgment. Basically, our card is done. The only other thing that I want to add are these little Easter eggs that I got from another dollar store sticker that I've had forever that I never use. So I'm going to add 2 little Easter eggs right here, kind of like tilted. Okay, just like that. And then another one here. There you go. And that's going to give your card a really nice Easter spirit, right? Look at that. How cute are those little eggs? How adorable. Adorable. I love them. Perfect. So basically our card, as you can see here, is basically complete. The only other thing that I did do differently with these cards is I kind of decorated the envelope a little bit, because I already have so many of these stickers that I'm not really going to use. So might as well just kind of add them to any project that I can. So what I did here, I added a little bird. You see that little chickie right there in the little corner? So let's do that. I'm going to add this little chickie on this corner right here. See that? Right there, the little corner. And then on the back, oh, I did this wrong. Oops. I kind of put him wrong. Okay, you're going to open it like this. So it's going to go like this. In this corner. And then on this, on the flip part of the little envelope, I want to put a little circle sticker on that little section too. Because I have so many of these little like circle stickers. You guys, I mean, I don't know what to do with these circle stickers. You guys have the same problem with me. I have no idea how to use these. Like, they're so tiny, but they're cute. But like, where do you use these at? So I think I'm gonna do another project. Probably my next project will be figuring out what to do with these little circle stickers, right? There's so many of them. Okay, so I took a cute little bird and I added right in the center of my little part where it flips, because I think that's gonna look cute. See? So you got that one right there, and then you got this one right here. And now, my friends, your card is complete. Okay, so when your friend gets your card, they're going to love it, and they're going to think it's super adorable. Okay, as you can see here, they fit perfectly well. They fit amazing. You see that? They look beautiful and very, very Easter inspired. And your friends, family, or co-workers are going to love it. How cute is this? Now, the only other thing that I would think that maybe you can do is, you can probably just put a little piece of washi tape back here to seal it. Maybe like an Easter related washi tape. And then this way your friends can get this and they'll love it. They'll think it's super adorable, super cute. And they will definitely appreciate the time and effort that you took on putting these adorable little note cards together. Yay! All right, honeys, I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, my loves, I'm going to be doing more videos for you guys. I probably am going to be posting a lot of videos tonight. I'm going to be a mad, crazy woman, post a lot of stuff tonight because I have a lot of things that I am in the process of downloading for you guys. So stay tuned for more videos. Give me thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this adorable, simple, cute little note card. And I will see you guys on my next video, my loves. Have a fantastic weekend. Please be safe out there. And I'll see you soon.